Hi everyone, welcome back to Lori's Crochet Corner 2, Beginning Stitches Tutorial Part 2, the half double crochet. Today we're using Super Saver Red Heart Super Saver yarn. It is 4-ply, 100% acrylic yarn, washes up very nicely, no shrinkage at all with this. Also, we will be using the size H hook today, which I recommend for beginners because you can actually see what you're doing and it makes it much easier. So I started out today with a chain. I did my slip knot, did a chain of 20 and a row of 20 single crochet. We learned that on our Basic Stitches tutorial part 1 last week. So now what we're going to do is chain 1. Oops. Turn our work, wrap your yarn around your hook and go through that first stitch. Grab your yarn, pull it up. You have 3 loops on your hook. Grab your yarn and pull it through all 3 loops. And that, my friend, is a half double crochet. So wrap your yarn around your hook, go into the next stitch, grab your yarn and pull it up. You have 3 loops on your hook. Grab your yarn, pull it through all 3 loops, and there's your next half double crochet. And you just continue that through the row, across the row, actually. Quite easy. Wrap the yarn around your hook, go into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull it up. You have 3 stitches on your hook, 3 loops. Grab your yarn, pull it through. There's your half double crochet. Through the stitch, pull up your yarn, 3 loops, pull your yarn through all 3 loops, and there's your half double crochet. Okay, and there's another. Okay, and wrap your yarn around your hook, go through the stitch, pull up your yarn through the loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, go through all 3. And go through your stitch, pull up your yarn, 3 loops on the hook, grab your yarn, pull it through, and there's your half double crochet. Very nice stitch, pretty easy. I'm going to work my way across this row. I try to keep my hands as close to the camera as I can. I want this to be easy for you guys to see. Okay, and what you always want to do, guys, at the end of the row is make sure you do not miss your last stitch because that will make your rows uneven. They'll form into a V, and you don't want a V. You want them to be straight up and down. Okay, so wrap the yarn around your hook, go into your next stitch, grab your yarn, pull it up. You have 3 loops on your hook. Wrap the yarn, grab the yarn, pull it through all 3 loops, and there's your half double crochet. Now, once you do a few rows, it will come pretty easy to you. It's just getting started. Once you do the first, few stitches, it may be a little confusing, but you'll get it, guys. Have faith in yourselves. So there we go. We got that row done. Always chain 1 at the end of your row. Turn your work and then just start in your first stitch there. Grab your yarn, pull it up, and you have your 3 loops. Grab your yarn again, pull it through all 3 loops, and there's your half double crochet. Pull your yarn up, go through all 3 loops, and there's your half double crochet. Wrap the yarn around your hook, go through the stitch, grab your yarn, pull it up. There's your 3 loops. Grab the yarn and pull it through all 3. So you're good to get started on that, guys. And I'm going to show you, I made a swatch, and this is how it comes out. I did probably 10 rows, maybe 12. I started out with the chain row, of course, and then a single crochet row. And you work off your single crochet row and start your half double crochets and work up. So, and remember, like I said, don't miss that last stitch because see how straight that row is there, guys? straight up and down, straight up and down. Let me stretch a little bit. I made my stitch a little tight, but straight up and down. If you miss a stitch, it's going to come up to a V, and you don't want that. And that, I had a lot of trouble with that when I first started out crocheting. So always make sure that you don't miss a stitch. You can count if you'd like. You know, if you start out with 20, you're going to want to count your 20 stitches as you go across. That way you'll always have it correct. So that's the swatch, and next week we will be doing the double crochet, guys, and that's even more fun. So good luck to you. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment and let me know. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, guys. Share this video out, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. You have a terrific day. See you next week.